Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video will be about the eyeliner tutorial for the hooded eyes. So let's begin the video. For eyeliner, I'm using the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes. The common mistakes people do with the hooded eyes are applying the eyeliner by lifting the eyelid. Because when you release the eyelid, the wing is going to drop and it won't be visible. As you can see, I'm applying the eyeliner by lifting my eyelid. First, I am drawing a flick on the outer corner of the eyelid and then drawing a triangle from the tail of the line and joining it to the inner corner of my eyes. The next mistake people do with the hooded eyes is to draw a thick liner. If it's too thick and if you have extremely hooded eyes, it will transfer to your eyelid as you can see in the video. Also, when we apply thick liner, there won't be any lid space visible when you open the eyes, and it will also make your eyes look more hooded. So try to avoid applying a thick liner if you have a hooded eyes. Now let's see the do side. While drawing the eyeliner for hooded eyes, don't close your eyes, look straight into the mirror and don't lift your eyelid. Draw a line, taking your lower lash line as a guideline. By taking my lower lash line as a guideline, I'll first draw a flick, then I'll draw a triangle from the outer corner of the eye and fill it. After finishing the outer corner, I'll just draw a thin eyeliner connecting it to the inner corner of my eye. Keep the eyeliner thin so that there is a more visible eyelid space and it would enhance your hood and make your eyes more hooded. You can see that when I open my eyes and look straight into the mirror, there is more lid space available and it is not enhancing my hood, making my eyes look more hooded. You all can see the difference in both the eyes. My right side of the eye is the do side and my left side of the eye is the don't side. You can see this eye is not looking more hooded as compared to the left side of my eye. So these are all the tips I wanted to share with you all. I hope you like the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.